on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again.
Sino yan?
Surprise!
Oh my God! Ba't bumalik ka, Chris?
Hindi ko natiis.
Ay,
I have pasalubong for you
what?
guys.
Oh!
This is from Tita Nina.
Wow, Tita Nina! Thank you so much!
Hi.
Mama,
Ay.
this is a fake
Ay.
labubo.
Ay, super hug! Ay! Ay, ko, mapalilit ko.
Kiss!
And I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Actually, I'll be back August 5th.
Kaya nga, biglang, di ba, naloka ka sa I don't know? Naloka ka, di ba? Naloka ka sa lyrics.
Oo.
Sabi ko din,
At least kinorek ko na sa sarili ko.
di ba?
Bye, Miss P.
Sabi niya, don't know when I'll be back again. Hindi, actually, alam ko kung kailan ako babalik. Di ba? Diba, guys? Bye, Miss Baby.
Bye, Miss P.
Have a safe flight. Bye, babe.
Bye, babe. I'll see you soon. I was leaving.
Yes.
Yan na, Miss Papa.
Yes po.
Kiss your papa na.
Papa. Kiss Papa face.
Love you.
Katie, hug. Hug na yung papa. Let's go. Bye, Katie. Ingat kayo, ha? Bye, Katie. Bye, kuya. Tara na. Let's go. Babay naman po sa other co-FWs. Bye, Mr. B. Ay. Bye, Mr. B.
Bye, Miss P.
Bye-bye. Bye, Mr. B. Bye-bye.
Kayo.
Yup, I went home for 4 days. 4 na araw lang. Maikli lang, pero parang ang dami nangyari sa loob ng 4 na araw na yon. Mas lalo kong na-realize na hindi lahat ng magagandang bagay ay kailangang madaliin. Minsan, mas masarap silang maranasan kapag hinahayaan mo lang silang mag-unfold sa tamang panahon. And honestly, gustong-gusto ko ang pace kung anong meron sa amin ni Miss B ngayon. Alam mo yun, walang pressure, walang pilitan, just 2 people choosing each other every single day, getting to know each other all over again, smiling a little longer, minsan may hug, minsan may playful kiss. But you know, we're always making memories that we will always remember. At higit sa lahat, para kay Katie, every laugh, every adventure, every little moment that we share. And sana lumaki siyang nakikita kung ano ang itsura ng respeto, pagmamahal, at isang pamilyang pinipiling magtiwala sa proseso. I mean, if 4 days could feel this special, then I can't wait to see what time, patience, and trust have in store for us. You know, just taking it one step at a time. Peace and love, KL. Or as some of you call me, Mr. B.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.